We're here at Wings Over Dallas. It's the old World War II air show. Pretty packed. There's planes up in the air all over the place. Close to like 15 or 20 of them. They're doing bombing run simulations. And you can even ride in one of these planes if you want to fork out a few $100. See, it looks like we got a new run of planes coming in here. Let's see if we can get them coming by. We'll walk over here.
Craig also made notices he's standing by the door on the aircraft actually takes out the car. It's the exact same way that window down. So Bell had some innovative.
Here are a bunch of them coming over here.
B-39, which was
hang on a second.
Never really got favorable reviews from the U.S. Air Force.
Oh, here we go.
But was very popular with the Soviet Union pilots there. More about his role overseas. And looking at all three of our C-45s going through. George Paul Downing from Admiral Holland's Ground Strip. From the Gulf Coast wing in Houston, so his little Raider. That's number 3 right there.
A bunch of them are landing. We'll have some more video in a little bit. Some gunners here, 50 calibers. There's a PT. Some more gunners here. And we got a tank over here too.
And today, bazookas are playing an important part on every battlefront. This is Douglas Edwards speaking to the General Electric Company, first in the world of electrical research in radio and electronics, in electrical household appliances, and in equipment for producing electric light and power for the home, industry, and transportation. Tune in General
Pretty
Electric
cool
to the
show
world
we
today,
got going
every
here.
Tuesday night at the same time. And tomorrow night on another
Be
network,
back in a second.
General Electric auditions to find the undiscovered voice.
Sponsored, by the way, Force Aviation is the sponsor of the B-17 Texas Raiders. We appreciate their help to keep it flying. And on takeoff roll right now, Craig 63. Craig's going to climb up for a little altitude, aerobatic routine for us. Performance characteristics of the S-63 King Cobra. Another of our sponsors is Rising Aviation High School, proud sponsor of the Wings Over Dallas Air Show, Rising Aviation High School. Thanks all of our veterans for their service to keep our country free. Thank all of our great aviation educators across the country, including the CAF National Aviation Education Center, for the tireless work in keeping us full chapter in our history. We appreciate all of our sponsors and all of you today. Hopefully enjoying the sunshine. Not too bad temperatures right here. If you'd like to be part of the member of Air Force, come out and join us and become a colonel. I think that happened today. Found the CAF number, in tent, in the Veterans Tent at the Fighter Squadron Chalet. There's some volunteers there. I'd like to tell you all about the CAF, get you to support our mission to educate, inspire, and honor. And there's also another CAF recruitment booth near the rides tent. Speaking of rides, many of the aircraft. This is Craig Rutang in the P-63. B-63 King Cobra.
Again.
Point hesitation. Some very cool engaging Japanese zeros. Very comfortable zero. And those are the counter 63. With the B-39 Black Supercharger in the airplane.
He's hard to keep up with. There comes the
What was known as pinballs or armored target practice. That comes in from the
Despite the precautions taken with the pinball aircraft, some airplanes were shot down by pilots as they were allowed. Over 100 deaths were reported from these accidents. Over 300 pinball B-63s.
loop to loop.
Fighters in full production put into combat after the start of World War II.
Okay, last pass. Repeat.
Production